This will be a quick video on how to replace a ball joint on an Nv200. First thing I did was, well, lift it up and take the wheel off. I kind of didn't include that part. Then the pinch bolt that clamps the spindle to the ball joint. That's 9/16 or 14 mil. Yeah, so that bolt was kind of seized in there. I had to back the nut off, put the socket back on, and then beat on the socket to push it through a little bit, and then used a hammer and a punch to get it the rest of the way out. Then I used a pickle fork to break the ball joint loose from the spindle. Yeah, so now there's just 2 bolts left to remove to get the control arm off of this thing. The rear bolt points straight up from the bottom, and it's got an 18 mil head on it, and the nut's an 18 mil as well. The front bolt, it points backwards, has a 22 mil head on it, and an 18 mil for the nut. Okay, I was able to get that front bolt off using an impact and a swivel. That worked out. And pop it out. It just pretty much pulls out of place, and then you undo that lower snap ring there, that little round one. Then, yeah, you can see the groove that it sits in kind of here. But this one was pretty hooped. It's not supposed to be loose and flopping around like that. So the next step is to press the ball joint out. I found an 1 11/16 socket fit right over the back of it pretty well, and I just took it to a press and pressed it out. And this is the new ball joint. It was a Mevotech brand. Yeah, so here's all the stuff that comes in it: new pinch bolt, snap ring, grease fitting. The next step is to press the ball joint. It takes a little bit of effort, but if you push hard enough, it'll pop right in there. Okay, I used the press. Next step is to put the snap ring on. After you get the snap ring put into place, the next step is to, well, make sure it's seated there first, and then you put the grease fitting in. And this one happened to come with a 90-degree grease fitting, which is nice because some Moog ones I've installed only come with a straight fitting. And you want to point it inboard, not towards the wheel, but towards the inside of the van so that you can grease it without having to take the wheel off down the road. So that's about it. And yeah, thanks for watching.